difficult earlier to get these back in, but managed it. So I'm going to show you both taking it out and putting it back in. So obviously it's the reverse of what we did the first time. Because it was so difficult, I'm going to take it out again, put it back in again. It's a bit like one of those Chinese puzzles. That one down. So this is how you take it out. Right, so it looks like it's physically impossible, but it isn't. That's it being taken out. Now I'm going to put it back in to show you it's actually easy to go in. And you don't have to take it all apart to do it. Just have to get it exactly right. So right hand side up, left hand side down, so it goes into the hole. And then, with a bit of jiggling, it does just slip it into there and then into the hole on the other side. Just like that. Done it. Woohoo! Done it. Right, now get the chain out of the way. Now I'm going to go for putting the bushes in so that I can put the swing arm in. So the bushes go just on the end, obviously that way round. Put the bushes in. Might have to successfully back in. Obviously it's got to have a washer on both sides and a split pin as well, so since I don't know where they are either, you put them somewhere safe. I do believe that the split pins actually broke, so I'm going to put 2 new split pins in them, but not today. Not today. So I'm going to go for putting the swing arm on now. Here's the swing arm prepared earlier. The nuts and bolts fortunately are with the swing arm. I did remember to actually put them in it when I took them off a bit, rather than the rest of the parts which were scattered all around the room. So, let's get the swing arm back in. Shouldn't be too difficult. Knowing that everything is difficult. Fuck's sake. Why is nothing easy? No patience, just get this done. Brain's going to be scratched to buggery. Patience, patience. Right, so now we're going to put the swing arm on, and hopefully we won't have as many problems doing this as we had on some of the other issues. It's a bit tight. I'm going to get one bolt in and then try and whack up the other end. things to do. So I'm going to go for tapping it in. Get one side, get the other side. Goes with lovely paintwork. I'm not even sure I got that out of there. So bloody tight, I don't see how it come out of there in the first place. I'm going to go for trying to put the swing arm in. It's tight, but we have the rubber mallet at the ready. I don't know what the best way to tackle this is. You're probably standing up. Going for putting the swing arm in. Be nice to get the swing arm in today anyway. Just jig it about a bit, I think. I'm going to go try and get one side in. Success! Success. Right, let's get the bolt in before it moves. Right, this one's lined up. Get the bolt in there quick. A bit tricky. Doesn't help. The trolley keeps moving. Ooh, so frustrating. Neil was saying she's doing it wrong, she's doing it wrong. Who cares? Not me. Now, I believe these might be the parts. There is more than half a dozen spare bits. Look, more than half a dozen spare bits. I believe the parts are in here. Right, that's the right size. It's the right size. It's a surprise. Let's see if this one's the right size. Now, if any bits are missing, got to tighten that up. If there's any bits missing, I would be blaming this one. This is my youngest cat. This is Bear, who is into everything. This is Bear. And if there's any bits missing, it's because this one likes to run off with nuts, bolts, and she's a cable chewer, aren't you? You're a cable chewer. Let's give Bear the box to keep her amused. If I give her the box, she'll be amused for a while. Let's see what size socket these are. Ooh.